What if I told you one tiny insect completely reshaped an entire ecosystem? Sounds impossible, right? But this little creature did just that, and the results were shocking. Insects might be small, but their impact on the world is anything but. Today we're talking about a tiny insect that changed everything. This isn't just a story about survival. It's a story about how one species can tip the balance of nature in ways no one saw coming. Imagine this. A new insect shows up in an ecosystem where it doesn't belong. At first it seems harmless, but then things start to change. Plants die, animals disappear, and before anyone realizes what's happening, the entire ecosystem is turned upside down. How does something so small cause such a huge problem? Meet the emerald ash borer. This little green beetle might look harmless, but it's a total ecosystem wrecker. Native to Asia, it accidentally made its way to North America in the early 2000s. With no natural predators there, it went wild. The emerald ash borer feeds on ash trees, and it doesn't just nibble, it destroys. The larvae burrow under the bark, cutting off the tree's ability to transport water and nutrients. Within a few years, millions of ash trees were dead. But it didn't stop there. Ash trees are a key part of many ecosystems. Birds, insects, and even mammals rely on them for food and shelter. As the trees disappeared, so did the animals that depended on them. The ripple effect was massive. Here's the craziest part. Scientists are still trying to figure out how to stop this tiny invader. They've introduced natural predators, used pesticides, and even tried breeding resistant trees. But the emerald ash borer keeps spreading. It's a reminder of how fragile ecosystems can be, and how one small change can have huge consequences. So, what's the lesson here? Even the smallest creatures can have a massive impact on the world around them. The emerald ash borer might be tiny, but its story is a big reminder of how interconnected nature really is. What other insects do you think have changed the world in unexpected ways? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bizarre insect facts.